Hello, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is how to do a thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dry larger laundry items in the Panasonic heat pump dryer that's just been released. Now, when you compare a heat pump dryer with a vented dryer or a condenser dryer, you will notice that we actually have more specific drying programs on the top of the control panel compared to your standard low, medium, or high, and setting the time on, say, a vented dryer. So, let's get started. Right, so the first thing you want to do is clearly turn it on and open up the gate. Now, if you've got the drying rack in there, for larger laundry items, you'll want to take this out. If you look in the instruction manual, you will find more instructions on your different laundry items with specific reference to the programs that are required to use the drying rack. Because we're using larger items for this particular video, we can take that out. So, let's get some laundry items. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to use towels as an example. So I have some soaking wet towels inside there. Chuck your laundry in, close it. Here you've got your control panel, and all you need to do is go along and select the right program for the types of clothes that you put in. So you've got your standard cotton dry, hygiene dryers for things that you want to get at a higher temperature. Towels, you can go through and select, wool, synthetics, shirts. Bedding is over here. So there's bedding selected. Now, the reason I'm going through these drying cycles is, apart from 3 of them, they all actually have a reverse cycle on them. And what reverse cycle does is it actually, as it tumbles through, every so often it will stop and then tumble the other way to untangle those larger laundry items so they come out nice and fluffy and warm and dry without being all tangled up. It also heats while it's doing the reverse cycle as well, which is something unique to Panasonic. Now, I've put in towels, so let's select towels. There you go. So select the drying cycle program specific to the stuff that you've actually put in, and then press start. Towels will take 1 hour and 40 minutes, so I'll see you in 1 hour and 40 minutes. All right, let's pull it out and see what we've got. Oh, so good. So good, nice and fluffy. Cool. That, by the way, is how you fold towels properly. Good stuff. Perfect. And there you have it. Well, that's it for this video. If you are looking for more information on how the different drying cycles work, be sure to check out the instruction manual that comes in the box with the heat pump dryer, or you can download a fresh one from Panasonic.com. You can also check out some of the other videos that we've made on the heat pump dryer at Panastudio NZ. Thanks for watching. See you next time.